Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this contraption. I'll show you the pieces and parts a little bit here, but it goes under my bed to keep my dog from climbing under it. My dog gets under the bed and starts chewing on my wires because that's what I have under my bed. I don't have anything else. But I'll show you guys what this consists of and then I'll kind of explain it a little bit and show you guys it in action. Okay, now there's the... Comes with a lot of stickers, these like double-sided tapes. It comes with a lot of those. It comes with, oops, let me get that out of here. It comes with these little round stoppers, and it comes with zip ties, and it comes with a whole bunch of these panels. So I'm gonna guess I have to assemble all these panels to each other, and they will all go to each other next, and go under the bed, around the bed to keep my dog from getting under there. So let me show you the installation instructions and we'll see if we can figure this out together. So it says sweep it ahead of time. Then we will fasten the lower buckle. Oh, so we have those little round pieces are the little things to hold it in place. Oh, I can get one open here. So these are gonna hold the panels in here. So we'll put the panel will go in there. So that's gonna hold the panels, I guess, on the bottom and then on the top, like this. We can hold it like that. So it's got a few different ways of attaching it depending on what we wanna do. For the bottom, it would be like that. If we were doing something where we wanted to go long or something, we could attach them like that way. There's just a few different ways. So these little contraptions here, those are kind of cool. I've used those for some other dog gate kind of things before. So we're gonna go ahead and set that up, especially they'll work good for the corners. Okay. So we'll go set it up and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. And here we are. You can see it here. It's kind of set up here. I didn't put the zip ties in there or anything else, but it kind of goes around the corner a little bit there. You can kind of see. And so the way it works then, I can just go ahead and put my little dust ruffle over it. And so once it gets down to the floor, you really won't even see it's there too much, but it'll keep Penny from climbing under because that's what she does. And my dog's a Pujan. She's tiny, so just need to keep her from getting under there. But that's what it's for. So super cool. Thumbs up.